Good morning, guys. 1 month away, Mom. We are at Party City and having a party. We're actually looking for fake mustaches. Right, Mom?
I guess, whatever.
Look at all the candy. It's cardboard.
Well, I know, but it's cool that it's holding the stuff.
They are now hiring. Look at that one.
Skin shorts are hanging crap.
It's kind of scary.
Hello, ladies.
Hi,
How are you? Jog things.
Did you get this? Oh, no, doesn't Hamlin do
Yeah.
scavenger hunt?
Contest.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Glad you knew what I was talking about. Well, these are cute. It's a naked mole rat. It hisses?
No, I said it doesn't hiss. Like, let's go for mustache.
Mom, look what I found. Yeah. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. My mom doesn't like mice or anything like that.
You can find a mustache down this side.
Oh, look, owls.
Whoa. Oh. I don't like how.
You could have made a bra out of that thing with the big butterfly.
It's crazy. Oh, goodness. Put these back. Hi there. Mom, how do I look? Rah, 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 rah. Roma, Roma, ma, gaga, ooh la la. Want your bad romance. So, we just got back into the car. And a bird pooped on Brittany. She's not very happy. No, not at all. Oh, goodness. Having fun, Mom?
Oh yeah, Karen.
She loves it when I film her. So while I was editing this, I realized that I say, oh goodness, a lot. Like a lot. I think I counted like 5 or 6 times in this video alone. So I think I'm going to try to stop saying that. It's like saying or so. Yeah. I got my hair cut today. Well, today being the 10th, not the 9th. Yeah. Alright, well, this was the end of the video for yesterday, or today. Yeah, it was yesterday, but you guys are seeing it today. Yes. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.